Hello, welcome to the video, and in today's video I am gonna tell you some free resources for the beginners. So let's take an example. I am a beginner in C++ and I need to practice programming in C++, and I need some resources from where I can learn and clear my concepts, and I can also solve some of the problems and examples. We have three websites here. First one is JavaTPoint, JavaTPoint, okay, and you need to find C++. I need to find C++. If you are beginner in Java, you can choose Java, and you can also find Python, C, anything like, okay, Python here, and I need to click on C++ as I am a beginner in C++. Okay, I can learn C++ from here. Here we have C tutorials, and our second topic is C versus C++. Our third topic is C++ history, features, installation, program, C out, C in, NDL, variable, data types, keywords, operators, identifiers, expressions. Okay, so I can learn from here, but we have another website called W3 Schools, which is also quite famous and provide very easy and simple tutorials. So you need to find your programming language, and my programming language here is C++. You can choose, or you can find according to your need. I need to click on C++. I can also learn C++ from here, and we have another website, tutorials point. So we just type C++ tutorials point. You can also learn from here. You can choose any of the website according to your need. I personally use all three websites. For example, let's choose here JavaTPoint, and I'm learning this topic from here. And now, after learning all the things from here, I need to clear the concept also from video tutorial. So for this, I just need to go on YouTube. Just copy your topic and paste on YouTube search bar, and you can find lots of tutorials here, but you need to choose a one which fits to you, which is easy to understand for you, and I found this one good for me. So I will clear my concept from here, which is Naresh I Technologies YouTube channel. And
Hi, welcome to Naresh IT.
after learning from the website and clearing the concept from YouTube, now we will solve some problems. Okay, so for solving the problems, we need to go on W3 resources website, and we need to type C++ exercise. You can type Java, you can type Python exercises according to your need. Okay, so we will go on the first link. Now I will click on basic. I'm on a very beginner level right now, and here is our first problem. It says write a program in C++ to print the welcome text in a separate line. So if you know the answer, you can click on go to editor, or you can click on this. So for this, if you don't know the answer, you can click me to see the solution. If you know the answer, you want to solve the problem, just click on go to editor and just write welcome. Okay, we just need to write the code here and click on run, and we need to click on run. Okay, and it says success. It means we are right. And if you facing any problem, like if you don't know the answer, you can click on me to see the solution here, and it will forward you here, and here you will find the solution and the explanation also. Programming resources. So first we need to learn from websites, and the websites are JavaTPoint, W3 Schools, Tutorials Point. All three are good websites, and you can also learn from any of the website which is good for you. Okay, and then clear the concept from YouTube, and then solve the problems of the same concept you learned from YouTube or website, and you can solve the problems on W3 Resources website. You can also find some free courses on Udemy. Just type C++ course, and you need to filter here. Just filter like C++. Level is beginner. Okay, and price should be free. So we found 12 free courses here on Udemy, and you can check all these courses. Okay, and choose the one which is good for you. All 12 courses are free, and some of are rated 4.4 stars by 37,000 people, which is good. I mean, this course may be a good course as it is rated by 37,000 students, and the rating is 4.4, which is quite nice. Okay, you can check the course. So that's it in the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.